Okay, here's a stupid little video of something that was driving me kind of crazy. Hopefully it'll help you out. I'm replacing the plugs on my 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the WK2 3.6 engine. And these clips that basically go into the ignition coil, I've never taken them out. I'm at 160,000 miles. I couldn't figure out how to do it, but I just want to show you real quick. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. On the back, there's a little tab thing here. You basically take a screwdriver and you press it down, because when you press it down on the inside, it lifts it up. See, when that lifts it up, it comes off of this little piece right here, right there. Okay, so you press the back, it lifts it up, it pops off. I just haven't seen any videos that show that, and it can be a showstopper, and you don't want to ruin this by trying too hard. So just take it slow, and that's what you do. Good luck.